Hey there, do you want to add photos and videos to your Telegram stories? In this complete guide, we will show you how to upload stories from your Telegram app, either from your iPhone or Android device. To put your first Telegram story, let's launch the app. You can either tap on this camera icon at the bottom right corner, or if camera is not showing up, like if you're using an iPhone, just swipe down your screen and then tap on My Story. First of all, you can turn on or off the front camera, and if you want, you can instantly take a photo or video right then and there to upload and add to your story. Otherwise, what you can do, select any photos or videos from your camera roll or gallery. You can edit your content by these various types of tools according to your taste. And apart from this, you can select how long that story will be visible to others. But all these three options except the 24 hours is available to Telegram Premium only. When you're done, just press Next. And then select your audience, customize or exclude people from each group. Choose if you want to allow others to take screenshots of your story or want others to see photos even if it's expired. And then finally, you can upload the photo or video by tapping on this Post Story option. You'll end up in your app dashboard. You will see your story is getting published. You can tap on your current story and still can edit them. Also, from the same section, if you want, you can delete your story as well. To post your second story on your Android phone, again tap on this camera icon. And on your iPhone, just tap on this plus icon. But please remember, you can post more than 3 stories only if you have a Telegram Premium account. And that's the way to post stories on Telegram. Thanks for watching.